light tanks, for example the Tetrarch tank. This heavier equipment made otherwise lightly armed paratroop forces a much capable force. The Soviets also experimented with ways to deliver light tanks by air, including the Antonov A-40, a gliding tank with detachable wings. By the time of the Korean War, helicopters had largely replaced gliders. Helicopters have the advantage of being able to extract soldiers in addition to delivering them to the battlefield with more precision. Also, advances in power transport aircraft have been made to the extent that even light tanks could be dropped by parachute. And after the widespread use of radar in the military, silence in the air is no longer sufficient for concealment. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and until next time.